How to buy Melania meme token. So this token came under the symbol of Melania. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. Now as you can see, this token, it's tweeted official from the Melania Trump official account. So as you can see, this is the token address. You can buy it from here. It's under the Solana network. But as you can see, if you want to buy it from the screener, it's the same. So it's available on the screener and trending number 2 on this platform. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address came under the Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet for that. Click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive. So after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all this information here. And after that, click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face an issue, go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or custom it, because the most of the issue came from the slip hash. So this is how to buy Melania token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.